Hello and welcome to this another amazing tutorial of Ultra Game template and how to use UGT. And in this case, we're going to talk about how to actually not use UGT and all the features that you do not need. And the primary way of actually toggling features off in your game is in the default game data asset. Of course, if you have UGT already configured in your project, but here in default game data asset, okay, we can disable multiple things. The first and most important thing that you can disable is the new game progression system, okay? So here in the new game progression system, we have multiple save slot system, single slot save system, and no progression saves or slots. So if you want to totally disable the save system, this is the way to do it, okay? I'm going to go down here. And in the last section here, we have the UGT toggles. And what are the UGT toggles? This is a series of features that you can totally disable with just a click. So for example, you don't want credits, so credits out. You don't want the intro slides, or you don't want the cheat system. You don't want the loading widget or the mini configuration. I don't want the subtitles and the text size. Neither do I want the user to configure text sizes or the subtitle styling. And as you can see, I don't want any tooltip. My game doesn't have audio, so it doesn't make sense to have an audio language setting. And as you can see, etc., etc., etc. This is very useful. If you want, you can even, for example, totally save the audio menu. There are lots and lots of features, okay? Take a look at them. But if I play now and I go to settings, as you can see, inside settings, I don't have an audio menu, okay? And in game settings, I only have a text languages and I have much more less settings. Okay, but I have a damage setting. This is something damage that I can also disable here. So let's disable damage here. But what if I want to disable vibration? See, if I click here and says for vibration, there's nothing here. But clearly there's a button here, okay, that is saying vibration, realism mode, head blowing. How do I disable all this? This is, again, actually super easy, and we are going with the alternative method of disabling features of UGT. So, to do that, instead of going to the default game data asset, what we're going to do is we're going to go to menus, and we are going to go to, in this example, we are in the game settings menu, okay, and each and every button, okay, each and every button of UGT have something called, if you select that button, disable globally, and you just have to check this and that's it. So I'm going to check this, I'm going to check this for vibration, I'm going to check this for camera shake, and to head blob. I compile, save, and look at my brand new trimmed game settings menu. Now I can only configure the language of the text, and that's it. So you can do this for every menu, and this is how you actually disable features on UGT through the toggles in the default game data asset. And if that's not enough, you can do it in a per button basis. Okay, let's leave it here. And in the next tutorial, we're actually going to see the opposite. What we're going to do is we are going to put more new menus in UGT and make new features inside those menus. But we're going to leave it here and do that in the next tutorial.